Hello everybody and welcome to this project lecture. In this video we want to create a beautiful logo with Polar Grid tool. If you will be patient in this kind of designs, that would be very simple for you. Let's jump into the Illustrator. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video, you are the first one who can watch it. Okay everybody, that is a significant lecture. If you want to be a logo designer, you can see I will create a simple logo just with some really useful and simple tools in Illustrator. Okay, at the first step, I select the Polar Grid tool and double click on it. This is the Polar Grid tool options. I change the radial divider. Actually the default one is 5, but I put it to 6 and press OK and create one of that. Decrease the size of the stroke. 2 is OK. And now I select it, with holding the shift key, rotate it 270 degrees. Now I put it here, with the alt key duplicate it, and put the center of the duplicated polar grid into the outer line of the first polar grid, and do it in other angles. Okay, I select all of them, put it at the middle of my artboard, okay, and now I select all of them and use the shape builder tool. We had worked with it in the previous lectures. Go to my shape and combine some parts for creating a circle. This one. Don't forget the details. This one. Okay. And the last one here. Very good. And now combine these parts for creating a big circle, actually for attaching these 4 circles. Here it is. You should be very patient in working with the shape builder tool. That could be hard for you, but after working some models, you can do it quickly. Great. Work on the details. Okay, now I zoom in. Select the direct selection tool. I remove these anchors. Okay, now I zoom in out and fit on a screen. Again, select my shapes, select the shape builder tool, and now I want to create another big circle into my shape. This is here. Combine these parts for creating another circle at the center of my shape. Very good. And now I select these polar grids and delete them. Okay, as you see, I cannot delete this polar grid. I first right click and ungroup them, and now I delete this one. Again, ungroup it, delete these little parts. As you see, I cannot save my bigger circle, but that is okay because I want to do another thing. So I delete all of them. Again, ungroup. Okay. Now I zoom in for deleting these little anchors. Okay. Again, zoom in here. Select the direct selection tool. Delete this anchor and attach them together. And here, delete this anchor and again attaching. Do it for other parts. Put my logo here and delete these little parts. And again, I put it here. Actually, delete this one. Or you can put it here. Delete this one. And put your shape into it. Okay, that is clear and good. Now I can go to the polar grid options, decrease the radial dividers to 0 and press OK. And now from the center of my shape, I create a polar grid just like that. Select both of them. Go to Shape Builder tool and create something different. Okay, now I duplicate it, delete this one. Select this, select the lasso tool, and delete all of these circles at the center. And now put it here. Again, select it, use the Shape Builder tool, and combine these parts. Zoom in, select direct selection tool, delete this anchor, and here you are. This is my new logo. If this is your first experience, actually that could be so hard for you. You should be very patient and move step by step, and whenever you have a problem at the middle of your work, you should just think about it and solve it by these tools. You can solve everything in Illustrator by using these tools. So don't worry. If you have problems at the middle of your design, don't worry and just focusing on solving it. Okay, let's colorize it. I select all of these shapes, go to the Shape Builder tool category and select the Live Paint buckets. And click for making a live paint group. Okay. Now we can colorize it, very easy. I select the fill color. I prepared for you some color codes 5, 6, 1, E, 18. Press tab and press OK, and now put it to these parts. Again select the fill, add another color code 8, D, 2, F, 2, 3. Press tab and press OK and add it here. And the last color code F22F08. Press OK. Add it to the ring. Here you are. Increase the size of the stroke. And there is a beautiful logo. You can just create it with Shape Builder tool, Live Paint Bucket tool, and Polar Grid tool. Or you can remove the stroke. Based on your opinion, you can customize it, but I prefer the stroke. And add a background at the last step. Remove the stroke, go to the fill color, add 21, 20, 27, and press OK. And now I select my shape, deselect the background, change the stroke color to white, and decrease the size of the stroke. Amazing. Or if you don't want it, you can put it back. Okay everybody, that was a very great, actually hard project, which I worked with the Polar Grid tool, Shape Builder tool, Live Bucket tool, and other tools. Actually the direct selection tool has a very significant role into this project. You can use all of them for clearing and making your project better. Please create it at home and send me your feedbacks. I'll see you in the next lecture.